Hi everyone, I'm Amanda and welcome to Shoes of Hollywood. I have a beautiful pair of shoes here to review for you. And I just want to say it is so good to be back on the channel after all this lockdown business, and now it's open again. So we've got some great content coming for you, and I just want to make sure you've liked and subscribed and you're not going to miss anything. Click that bell so you get notifications when we have a new video come out. So this is actually a surprise shoe for me because I don't even know what's in here. We have a DELIGHT-656. So let's see what these look like. Pleaser always has gorgeous packaging, butterflies on the front. They're really cute and shiny. And then their travel bag, which has the foam inside to keep them separated so you can transport your shoes wherever and they're going to come out nice and beautiful and not scratched. Let's see what these are. Oh my gosh, yes! So this is a 6-inch heel, and we've got this in a matte black heel here, and then the platform at the front, which is always good for wearing all day long or all night. You're not going to get sore feet. And then we've got the straps around the front that are a nice stretchy fabric, and this is again the DELIGHT-656. So I'm really loving this one. You could even wear this casually because of these straps. They're kind of not super dressy. You could wear this with little shorts and a top. And then you've also got the pleaser in the gold embellishment here, and that really nice squishy memory foam. So your toes and heel will really mold into that over time, so you're not going to slip around, and they'll be super comfortable. They come individually wrapped, which I just think is just that nicer extra bit of luxe that pleaser gives you. And here's the other one. So this is a 6-inch heel, and we have the grip at the bottom. So they've thought of everything with these shoes, and these straps I think are going to be really nice and sturdy, and they're that forks leather on the inside as well, so it'll be nice and soft on your skin. Let's put them on, and we are battling with the wind a bit today, so please apologize for the sound if you can hear a lot of wind interruption. We are in the wild today, guys. They slide on pretty easily considering how many straps there are, and there's a zip at the back, so you don't have to do any buckles up. There you go, slip it on nice and quick. And let's do the other one. Oh, I'm wearing a size 7, which is my normal size, and I have I would say maybe just a normal size foot. I'm not super narrow, but I'm not super wide, and these fit me perfectly. The Delights are a really nice fit for my foot size. So there we go. Let's do a bit of a walk. Woohoo! How good do 6-inch heels feel? They make you feel so tall and long. And I don't know if you can see, but I am on a massive stage right now. So we're outside in Brisbane again. They obviously can't have concerts here because of all the restrictions still. So with social distancing, this is as close as I can get to you. So follow this channel, check out my page, and we love hearing from you in the comments. So please let us know what you've been up to, what you want to see more of. I love the platform at the front. It makes it very easy to walk in. I hope you're enjoying this video, guys. We are out in the wind, so that's why the volume might be a bit messed up. We are loving being outside in the cooler winter weather in Brisbane. It's not over 100 degrees. It is beautiful. Hope you enjoyed this video being outside in the beautiful elements, and I'm really sorry about the wind, but we wanted to show you that it's a beautiful day here in Australia in the Gold Coast, Brisbane area. This is again the DELIGHT-656, a 7-inch heel with the platform at the front. I'm Amanda Blanks. Thank you so much for watching Shoes of Hollywood, and we'll see you next time. Bye!